Dear student, welcome to DBMS online lecture session. Our unit name is Introduction to SQL and my current topic is order by clause, group by clause and having clause. So objective of today's lectures, we will see the sorting data of a table using order by command. We will also discuss about grouping data of a table using group by and having command. So let's start with the order by clause. Order by clause is used with the select statement for arranging retrieved data in a sorted form. So data can be viewed in a sorted order. So rows can be retrieved in ascending or a descending order. So the order by clause by default sorted data is in ascending order. And if suppose we want to sort data in descending order, then we have to use DESC keyword for that. Syntax: select number of columns from the table name. Order by, we have to order column wise. So we have to provide name of column over here and pass the order of particular sorting. So if suppose you want to use descending order, then you have to use DESC keyword, and ascending order is default ordering. For example, so example number 1, here we have used ascending order. So select star from employee table, order by, our column name is salary. These data are sorted by salary column in ascending order. So no need to write any order because ascending order is a default order. Example number 2, select star from employee, order by salary DESC. Here we want to select data in descending order. So for that we have to use DESC keyword. Now group by clause. So group by and having, both the clause are used to group record of a table, and they are parallel to order by and where clause. But the main difference of group by and having clause is a set of records, while order by and where clause act on a individual record. So group by clause is used to group the result of a select query based on one or a more columns. It means it will work on a group of records. It is also used with the SQL function to group the result from the table. Syntax: select number of columns. Aggregate function we have to use. So aggregate function, in the bracket column name we have to pass as an argument. From table name, group by column 1, column 2 up to n number of columns. In other words, it creates a data set containing a several set of records grouped together based on the condition. For example, select bname is our column name and sum is an aggregate function which find out the total of given argument. From account table, group by column name. Our column name is bname. So here records having same value for column bname, and all the records are grouped together in a separate group name, and the total balance for each group is calculated. So here 3 groups are maintained because we are using account table. Having clause. Having clause is used with SQL queries to give condition for the statement. Having clause is filter group based on the specific condition. The having clause was added to the SQL because where keyword could not be used with the aggregate function. So each column specified in the having clause must appear in the list of columns specified in the group by clause. It is used to mention the condition in a group-based SQL function just like a where clause. Syntax: select number of columns with the aggregate functions, and as an argument we are passing a column name. From the table name, group by number of columns, having condition. For example, select bname sum of a balance from account table, group by bname. Now we are going to pass the condition. So having bname is equal to BVN. Now we will see it practically. First, select data from account table. So this is our account table, and account table is having 5 datas. Now we want to perform example of order by. So our first query is select star from account table. Select star from account. We want to select all the datas by bname. So order by bname. If suppose I am not writing DESC, then it will order into the ascending order. And if suppose I am writing DESC, then it will consider as a descending order. So our all the datas are display in descending order. First it will show the datas of BVN, then Anand, and then Ahmedabad. Now example of group by. Select bname, comma, sum of balance. Bname, comma, sum of balance. We want to display only branch name with total sum. From table name, our table is account. From table name, now we are going to perform group by operation. So group by, we have to group all the datas by bname column. So group by column name is bname. So all the branches are grouped. So there are 3 groups are maintained: Anand group, BVN group, Ahmedabad. And here total sum of BVN means 8,000 plus 6,000 is equal to 14,000. For Anand it is 10,000, and for Ahmedabad it is 5,000 plus 7,000, 12,000. So all datas are displayed in a group form. Now example of having clause. Having clause we are using for passing a condition. So what is the difference between where clause and having clause? Where clause is used to give condition on a individual record, whereas having clause is used to give condition on a group of data. So here we are performing group by operation, and we also want to give some conditions, so we have to use having clause. So example of having clause is select bname, comma, sum, aggregate function is sum of balance. From account table. Group by bname column. Group by bname column. Then pass your condition using having clause. So having, my condition is bname is equal to BVN. So this is my condition. Here I want to select only BVN group. Enter. So see, only BVN group will be displayed. So this is the example of having clause. Thank you.